Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iPhone and iPad users have facing an issue that is their device shut off even the battery having 30% life left. Today in this video I will show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. Solution number 1. Recalibrate your battery. What we have to do, go to settings, turn off Wi-Fi and enable airplane mode. This is because you are not using Wi-Fi and not getting phone calls. Now leave your iPhone until the battery goes to 1% or 0. When it's completely drained, charge it to 100%. In this condition, not using Wi-Fi or not enable airplane mode. If the battery is not defective, then you should fix it. Solution number 2. Check for software update. To check that, go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection, then tap General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 3. Reset all settings. To reset all settings, first launch Settings and tap General. Now tap Reset and tap Reset all settings. iPhone passcode and tap again Reset all settings to confirm your action. And also try this one. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, press and quickly release volume up button, press and quickly release volume down button, then press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.